Conscendo Scout, Conscendo Scout, flying up and out. Scout, over the roundabout. Conscendo, what FPV is all about. Conscendo Scout, Scout, Scout.
All right, so we're out here with on a very cold January morning here. You can see all the frost all over the place. We're gonna maiden the what is this thing? The Conscendo Scout. Let's see what it does. Hopefully it flies like an aeroscout. That's what I'm hoping for. We're just gonna take it up in the air, do a few laps, and then bring it back down just to see how it flies, if it crashes, what happens. So let's go.
Flying like on rails, leaving vapor trails, over hill and dale, no need to bail. Conscendo Scout, Conscendo Scout, fly far.
Alright, so we're armed, and here we go. I took off and this thing started drifting because the landing gear sucked, so I just gave it full throttle and pulled up like a normal aeroscout, and it just took off. Twin engines mean there's no torque roll, so it's not going to spin out. The aeroscout wing basically just provides lift as soon as it gets a little speed, so off we went. I just went up to see if it handles well or bad or whatever, and thankfully it flies and handles like a regular aeroscout. Maybe not as agile, but you can see it has no problem following the track around, and that's all I'm trying to do. So it follows the track around fine. I'm just going to bring it down to see how much I can slow it down. This is the first flight, and I didn't really push it as far as the throttle or anything. I think I got it up to 60%. It's actually flying like kind of how I hoped it would. Easy to handle. There's no wind. It's early in the morning, so there was no wind. But you can see it just kind of nice and steady and flies well. I got lucky putting this thing together, I guess. This was all old parts I had. Since it's winter and there's not much flying to do, I usually build a lot of stuff, and this is going to be one of the things we test and fly in the future. You can see there's no big deal. Flies fine. Got a little bit floaty right there as I'm slowing it down. But didn't stall or anything. Not even close. It's just nice and easy. So we'll bring it back around and land. Next thing, I already flew it once after this and did a auto trim. Now it's auto tuning. Bring it in for a landing. Easy flight. Now there's landing gear, like I said. They're on there, so I don't have to hand toss it, but I can't even control it. There's no rear wheel or anything. It's just a stick, a bamboo skewer back there. But anyways, there we go. It's the flight of the Conscendo Scout.
Conscendo Scout, what FPV is all about. Conscendo